So, because of all of the outrage and controversies surrounding ChatGPT generated text, especially coming in from the public school boards in the States, OpenAI didn't wait too long. They decided they're going to roll out their AI text detector, what they're calling the AI text classifier. And I'll have the link in the description below for you to try it out. And I thought I'll just do a quick test to see how it actually performs. Now, before we jump into testing some AI generated text as opposed to human generated, I just wanted to show you exactly what they're suggesting here. So this is where they're talking about their new AI text classifier. And what they're saying that this classifier correctly identifies 26% of AI written text, true positives, versus about 9% of the cases where it incorrectly labels human generated text. So it's not accurate. They're being transparent on that. And what they're also saying here, if we were to scroll down a bit more, and I'll have the link for this description as well, is saying that the classifier is very unreliable on short text. So it has to be at least 1000 characters long. Even longer texts are sometimes incorrectly labeled by the classifier. So anyway, with that information, let's just jump back into testing it out. So if I were to go back, I've got two different detectors, AI text detectors. One is the one that they just rolled out last week, OpenAI. And I also have the Hugging Face one that I've previously used, and it was rolled out to detect AI generated text from OpenAI's GPT-2. So it's been there for a bit longer, but I thought I'll just try out to see which one does a better job. So just for the sake of time, I asked ChatGPT to get me some text. So in this case, I asked it to provide me with the outline for a blog post on affiliate marketing. So what we are going to do in this case, we're going to copy all of the text. So it's copying everything else. So let's just go up just to copy the first section. Mind you, this is the one that's been given by ChatGPT, and I'm expecting that it's labeled accurately as AI generated. So paste it into OpenAI's text detector and then submit. And this is what it's saying. The classifier considers the text to be likely AI generated, which is good. Now, just to try it out, I thought I'll just paste the same in that GPT-2 output detector by Hugging Face, and it seems like it's not labeling it correctly. It's saying that it's real, human written. So just from this one quick test, it seems like it's doing the job correctly. So that's great. Now I'm going to clear from both, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring back some human generated text. And for that, what I'm going to do, this is a paper that I wrote a few years back for my graduate program. So I'm going to copy the abstract from that paper. Obviously, it's my own writing. So hopefully it's detected correctly by this new AI text detector. So I'm just going to paste that, submit. Here is what it's saying. The classifier considers the text to be very unlikely AI generated. That's good. That's great, actually. That's a thumbs up. So it looks like it's doing the job. And then just to compare that, just to finish it off, I'm going to type the same in here. And again, there is this keywords. I can remove that, but it's not labeling it. I guess in this case, it's labeling it correctly because it's labeling it as 99.98% probability that it's actually human generated as opposed to fake. That's great. So from this quick test, we can safely say that it's doing the job, even though I get the sense that OpenAI didn't want to wait for too long before it becomes bigger of an issue. And they decided they're going to roll it out quickly, and even with 26% accuracy or so, somewhat okay, but they remind us that we should not rely solely on this text classifier to decide on whether a specific piece is written by AI or not. But I just wanted to expose you to the same, and I wanted to make you aware that this has been going on. And let me know in the comment section below what you think, if you have had a chance to play with this tool or any of these AI text detectors, and what your experience has been comparing them, and what do you think is going to happen in near future, where we are going. Feel free to use that comment section to expand on any of that. Thanks.